In this video, I'm going to explain the pay application process in SuperConstruct. To begin, log into SuperConstruct, go to your company, and navigate to the project where you want to create a pay application. From the left side navigation bar, click on the Pay Application module. On this page, click on the Create Pay App button. A pop-up will appear asking you to select the SOV on which you want to create the pay application. Select the required SOV and click on Create. Please note, for each SOV, payment terms are created only once. Now, the first step in the pay application process is creating the payment terms. Select the payment interval, which defines how frequently payments will be made. Next, enter the contract date, which is the date when the contractor and owner formally agreed to begin the project work. Now, enter the retainage percentage, which is the portion of each payment that is withheld and released after the project or agreed milestones are completed. Then, specify the number of days to make payment, the number of days to sign CLW, and the number of days to sign UZLW. After that, enter a description for the payment terms, and you can also add attachments if required. Once all the details are entered, review them carefully. You can either save the payment terms as a draft or click on Submit. Now, click on Save as Draft. When you save as draft, the payment terms are accessible only to the user who created them. Now, open the pay application again and click on Submit. After clicking on Submit, select the approver and confirm submission. This is how a contractor creates payment terms. Now let's see what the approver sees. Now, logging in as the approver will be notified through email and also through in-app pending tasks and notifications. The user can access the page using any of these options. Now let's proceed using the pending task. On reviewing the payment terms, the approver will have three options: approve, reject, and reassign. If the approver finds any issues in the payment terms, they can click on Reject and provide comments explaining the reason. The creator will then be notified through email, pending tasks, and in-app notifications. Now let's see what the creator sees when the payment terms are rejected. Now, logging in as the creator will be notified about the rejection through email and in-app pending tasks and notifications. Access the payment terms through the pending task, review the comments provided by the approver, and check the reason mentioned below the description section. Make the necessary changes accordingly, and then submit the payment terms again. This is how a contractor can resubmit the pay application. Now, logging in again as the approver, review the updated payment terms. If the approver is unsure or wants another user to review, they can click on Reassign. In the resulting pop-up, select the user, add any comments, and reassign the request. This is how Reassign works. Now, logging in as the reassigned user, they will also be notified through email, in-app pending tasks, and notifications, and they can access the pay application using any of these options. The reassigned user will review the payment terms, and if everything looks correct, they can approve them. This completes the payment terms creation process in the pay application workflow.